Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a new update on Discord that makes your messaging experience even better. If you want to show avatars in the message display on your PC, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Discord application. Whether you're using it on desktop or through the web browser, just make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside Discord, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on that to open up the settings. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down the menu on the left side until you find Appearance. Click on it to access your appearance settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Next, scroll down within the appearance settings until you see the message display section. This is where the magic happens. In the message display section, look for the option that says Compact Mode. Click on it to select it. Compact mode is perfect for keeping your chat organized and tidy. Now, here's the exciting part. Right below that, you'll see an option that says Show Avatars in Compact Mode. Make sure to enable this feature by toggling it on. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the avatar display in Compact Mode on Discord. Now, as you chat with friends, you'll see their avatars beside their messages, making your conversations more vibrant and engaging. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your Discord experience.